Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove emojis on CapCut PC, like how you can remove it from a video. So copy and paste your video like so, and then go to the mask section, and you're going to get like a part of the video that hasn't been like touched, I guess, like this area maybe, like the same color. Then I'm just going to place it here. I'm just going to make the size a little bit bigger. Then I'm going to feather it out, but not too much that you can see it. Like that much. And well, that's it. It's gone now. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.